In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. If you want your newsletter to look polished and on-brand, customizing the banner, header, and footer in your Substack emails is a simple way to make a big impact. These elements frame every issue you send, helping readers recognize you at a glance, trust your presentation, and easily find important links. To get started, head over to substack.com and open your publication dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side and open Settings. This is where Substack keeps most of the design and delivery controls for your publication. Inside Settings, choose Emails. This area controls how your outgoing newsletters appear in your subscribers' inboxes. Adjusting things here ensures your design is consistent across every email you send, whether it's a free post, a paid update, or a quick note. In the Email section, find Email Header and Footer and select Edit. This opens Substack's editor for the elements that sit above and below your email content. Think of the header as your first impression and the footer as your final handshake. Together, they can carry your branding, links, and helpful context without overwhelming the main body of your writing. In the header, you can add a banner or logo and set any introductory text you want readers to see before the post content. A wide, lightweight image works best. Clean, horizontal layouts read well in inboxes. Keep text on images minimal for clarity and add descriptive alt text for accessibility. If you prefer a text-only header, use a clear publication name, optional tagline, and comfortable spacing so it feels welcoming rather than cramped. For the footer, include essential items that help readers take action without clutter. Common choices are a short sign-off, links to your website or archives, social profiles, and a brief note about what subscribers can expect. Keep the tone consistent with your brand voice, make sure colors and font sizes remain readable on small screens, and avoid heavy image blocks that can slow email loading. As you edit, aim for strong contrast between text and background, and keep your color palette consistent with your publication. Substack's preview lets you review how the header and footer frame your content before you proceed. Check alignment, spacing, and how everything looks on both desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, simply proceed, and your updated design will be used for future emails. And that's it. Clean, branded headers and footers that make every Substack email feel professional and unmistakably yours.